Okay, so let's start by talking about cleansers. So it's really important at the beginning and the end of the day to cleanse your face. You want to take off your makeup, you want to get rid of dirt, blah, 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 blah. We all know what cleansers are for, but it's really important that you choose the right one so that your skin starts off beautifully balanced. So before you put any of your moisturizers, serums, anything like that on, you just want to make sure that your skin starts from a nice, soft, balanced, comfortable feeling. So if you are using the easiest thing that you can use, which is a foaming cleanser in the shower, make sure that it is hydrating and softening and it's not stripping the bejesus out of your face. So I have tried a lot of them over the years, and I actually broke up with foaming cleansers a few years back because none of them left my face feeling comfortable. They all left it feeling still a little bit tight, even the ones that said they were gentle and all that sort of stuff. So I've been hesitant to get back into the foaming cleanser game, but I have found one that works really nicely for me. So if in doubt, I always look to products that are for sensitive skin, which this one is. Now, please don't be put off by the cheap and nasty looking packaging. I initially was like, oh, there's a new brand I haven't seen before, but oh, that packaging was really shit. It is kind of fucked, and they should maybe package it in a nicer way because it's a beautiful product, and the ingredients in this brand uses are fantastic. It's a natural brand. I do like to use natural products on my skin. That's for no other reason than I just like the way they make my skin feel. They tend to be a little bit gentler, and I like the smell of them. I like things that smell nice and feel nice, and generally the natural products have nicer packaging, except for this brand. Sorry. It's called Andalou, I think. You can get it from Nourished Life online, or you can buy it at Priceline. So this is the foaming cleanser. It's like a self foam. It's already there. I just use a couple of pumps of that in the. Whoops. I just use a couple of pumps of that in the shower, and it's pretty good at taking. It takes off your makeup. Waterproof mascara, it's still a little bit piss weak with, so it probably won't take off waterproof mascara. You might need to bring in the big guns for that. So anyway, that's a really beautiful one that I like to use in the shower because it's the easiest way to clean my face. It's how I like to wash my face when I get back from the gym. So if I'm all sweaty and gross, or like if I've been to the beach and I'm all sandy and sunscreeny, I like to get in there with a nice good foam and give it a clean, but I also like my skin to feel nice and soft afterwards, so that's a really good one. You don't have to use that particular one, but do trial different foaming cleansers and be aware of that feeling when you get out of the shower. If it's too tight, it's probably putting your skin out of balance a little bit. So the other super lazy thing I like to do is drop things on the floor. Well, it's not super lazy, but it is a really quick way to effectively remove your makeup, and it also leaves your skin feeling nice and soft. So if you can only be bothered cleansing of an evening, you don't want to put anything on your face because you're just that goddamn tired, an oil cleanser is really good for that purpose. This one is the Sukin one. It's quite a rich one. It's great for removing eye makeup. You basically just massage it all over your face. Your makeup's going to go everywhere. You're going to get all like Alice Coopery. It's going to end up like a big grey kind of mess. And then my favourite little things, my trusty little cotton flannelly things that you can pick up like in a big wad of at Woolies or wherever. I just like to keep a clean one on hand all the time. They're amazing. And then you just wipe it all off with that. And these will give you a little bit of a gentle exfoliation as well. So if you can't be stuffed with like scrubs or exfoliating masks or anything like that, if all you've got is a bit of an oil cleanser and a flannel, or even just whatever, and just one of these in the shower, or if you have a bath, whatever, no judgment, sitting in your own filth. These are just great for giving yourself like a nice little exfoliation as well. So that's the cheap and easiest exfoliation you'll ever get. The other one that I like to keep on hand is a micellar water. This is the Akin one. It doesn't really matter which one you get. They all kind of do the same thing. They're just kind of fancy. They're like a gentle version of a toner is what I kind of think. They're a little bit more cleansy, rather than that kind of feeling that toners give. So I don't know, just use it in the same way. I just pop it on a cotton pad and wipe it all over my face. This is like for when I can't even be asked having a shower. So I cannot be asked taking my clothes off, hopping in the shower, washing my face. This is just like, you know what? I just want to fucking go to bed, but I got to get this shit off. So I'm just gonna pop it on some cotton pads and wipe it off. It's pretty good at getting eye makeup off as well. Maybe again, maybe not so much the waterproof mascaras or any kind of really thick gel eyeliners and stuff like that. You might need to bring in the oil for that one, but I think the micellar is great just to have on hand. Like I said, it does the job of a toner, so sometimes if you feel like you just want that extra little step in your cleansing, it's really nice to just kind of finish off with. Great to have on hand too if you're doing some tricky makeup and you make a mistake. You just get a little cotton tip, bit of micellar water, and you can just clean up like a little bit of mascara blob or wonky eyeliner or whatever. It's good for that. So they're the 3 cleansers that I like to keep on hand. I don't use them all together, but they serve a different purpose individually, which ends up making my life a lot easier. Second thing I like to do is hydrate. As you know, I have a deep love and affection for the brand Skin Boss. It's made by a friend of mine, Kirsten, who she has just nailed this formula. I think her husband makes it for her, but under her guidance, of course, she's just nailed the perfect balance of, I don't know, it's like it completely cuts out the step of serum, moisturizer. It's just like, it feels like it just does those 2 jobs in one product. So I no longer use a serum, I no longer use a separate moisturizer, I just use this one product, a tiny little bit of it. I've got one Get Up and Glow for the morning, and then I have the beautiful Sleep On It for nighttime. It's got a little bit of added lavender in it, so it's lovely. Gives you that kind of, you know, aromatherapy kind of feel that puts you to sleep, and not like, you know, not like a Phenergan will put you to sleep, but, you know, just kind of relaxes you and helps you doze off at night time. It's just fucking beautiful, okay? Feels really nice to massage into your face at night and smells really good when it's rubbed on your pillow. So that's all I use to hydrate and moisturize my skin. They're brilliant. Take 2 seconds to put on and you're done. You don't have to worry about serum, separate moisturizer.